Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday landed in Dubai, where he will attend the World Climate Action Summit that will be held alongside the United Nations Conference of the Parties on Climate, known as COP28. He was received by UAE's Interior Minister and Deputy Prime Minister Sheikh Saif bin Zayed Al Nahyan at the airport. I arrived in Dubai to participate in the COP28 summit. We look forward to the proceedings of the summit that aims to create a better planet, Modi wrote on X soon after arriving in Dubai. As Prime Minister Modi arrived at the hotel, he greeted the Indian community members who chanted slogans such as Modi Modi, Ab Ki Baar Modi Sarkar and Vande Mataram. In a tweet, PM Modi said he was deeply moved by the warm welcome from the Indian community in Dubai. This will be the second time in 3 years that PM Modi will attend the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change conference. As per the reports, COP28 will be the stage where India can tell the world its G20 achievements. Climate change has been an important priority area of India's G20 presidency. COP28 will provide an opportunity to take forward these successes. As per reports, the Prime Minister is likely to pitch for the Global Biofuel Alliance to world leaders at the COP28. The GBA was first launched during the G20 summit in New Delhi. The climate experts believe that GBA would help to reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, which is a major cause behind drastic change in climate. The Global Biofuel Alliance pushes for the adoption of biofuels worldwide by promoting technological advancements and promoting the use of sustainable biofuels. Climate change can only be fixed by a wide participation from stakeholders from around the world. Before his departure to Dubai, PM Modi said India had walked the talk on climate action and asserted it was high on priority during New Delhi's G20 presidency. PM Modi said he was happy to see the COP28 summit being under the presidency of the UAE, which has been an important partner for India in the field of climate action. In keeping with our civilizational ethos, India has always laid emphasis on climate action even as we pursue social and economic development, he said. The Prime Minister said COP28 will also provide an opportunity to review progress made under the Paris Agreement and chart a path for future course on climate action.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.